Halloween, and today I got a message from somebody saying that they want to do like a slime trade kind of. So she asked for just 2 slimes, so I'm going to be sending her 2 really good and nice slimes. So let's just get started on what I need to send her. So these are the 2 slimes I'm going to send her. This one has a charm in it. This one does not. I think that this one fully melted. I think that this one has a layer of melted parts, so we should probably just mix this because I felt some melting. Guys, if it does melt in the mail, I have sent her borax. So she needs to activate it or do whatever she needs to do. If they're too sticky for her liking, she can completely activate it how she would like. She said that she doesn't want really hard slimes. So I sent her perfect slimes to me, but my hands are always cold. And maybe her hands are always really hot. I don't know. I've never met her. She never told me. So, yeah. She asked me, but then she didn't. I asked her and she didn't reply. So I'm just going to send her good slimes that I feel really, really nice. So, yeah. This one is really, really nice and soft. It's also a butter. It's a very nice butter slime. It has a little bit of foam beads and it has a lot of glitter. So yeah, that is our first slime. I can't believe it melted a little bit though. There's a little bit of melting goo. But actually it has a very nice soft texture. And she said that she really likes soft texture, so I thought soft, she likes soft, buttery. I'm pretty sure that everybody likes butter slime. And just has a really great texture overall. So yeah, this is our first slime. I will then show you my extras after I'm done showing the slime. I just sent her regular borax, just borax. Nothing special about it. Borax! Borax. So our next slime is just it's the one with the charm. So it is very nice and stretchy and soft, just like the other one. Both of these slimes are made from glue all. So this one is a full saturated foam. It's not fully. It's basically all saturated. It's almost saturated. Almost fully saturated. I just didn't have enough foam beads to fully saturate it. So those are my 2 slimes, and now I'm going to show you guys my extras. So I'm going to give her like a sanitizer holder, and the horn lights up, it flashes pink. So I thought that was really, really cool. And I'm also going to be sending her 2 different squishies. So I'm going to be sending her this strawberry poo. So I hope that she likes it. And I'm also going to be sending her this little strawberry glazed donut. And the next thing, I have some jewels, like actual jewels. So I have this little, these are actually real. So I have this little heart gem crystal. I have this amethyst. I also have this sand, or this salt. I also have, I don't know what this is, but it's real. I also have one like that, but it's like blue. And I have this one, but I forgot the name. I also have this one, but I forgot the name. It's the same as the purple one. I also have this one, but I forgot the name. I also have gold flakes. I also have little blue rocks. I forgot what they're called. I have quartz. I have these other ones that I forgot the name of, but they are really, really pretty. I have like a golden one, kind of, and a purple one. It doesn't look purple, but it is purple. So yeah. Oh, and I have a bath bomb. case that I like to put my little rocks into, like, display. So yeah. Oh, and I have this little Eiffel Tower that I usually put the Eiffel Tower into. So hopefully she likes it all. Because if she doesn't, I spent a lot of hours. I hope this is a good trade. So package it up and send it to the mailbox. Hey guys, I got a box from that girl that I'm trading with. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with the slime because why not? I'm gonna start out with this like nice pink one. Just this slime. I think that you did actually a really good job on it. This slime is so smooth. Ah, slime is actually really nice. It's really nice and smooth. I feel like it's not lumpy except for the beads. I think that I want to take them out, but I won't in front of the camera. So here it is. I want to send her better slimes. So, here it is. It's very nice and stretchy. It's also really smooth. I think that she actually did a really good job on this. Usually I'm really saucy, but I think that my sauciness is going away because this slime slays the world. So here it is. I definitely recommend buying from her. Or actually, I didn't buy with her. We did a trade. So I definitely recommend just contacting her. And I bet you she'll give you slime. So yeah. So yeah, here it is. I mean, I definitely think that it could be better, but actually, I don't even know if it could be. Guys, I should stop being sassy about this. Like, this slime is hands down good. I'm impressed. I'm gonna shut this up now because I want to. So I'm just gonna try to find another slime. Okay, so I got this. She gave me borax unless the slime melted, so that's nice of her. She got me this other slime. Wait, I think it has a charm in it. I'll get the charm out. Gotta get the charm out because the charm is not letting me see it. This one is really nice. It's a little stitch. It's a foam. If you guys couldn't see already, it's a foam. It's a very nice foam. So yeah. It doesn't poke as well as the other one does, but it's okay. This one also feels really nice and smooth and soft. So yeah. And now, move on to the extras. Oh, just so you guys know, the borax is an extra, I'm pretty sure. Okay. So guys, I didn't send her as good things as she sent me. Okay, so she sent me a bath bomb. Really nice. She also sent me a donut squishy. It's okay. She also sent me a poop squishy. It has a little face on it. Here it is. She also sent me this thing, and if I am right, it has a little horn that glows. It flashes. That's really interesting. It is. So yeah. She sent me a whole bunch of crystals. This is really valuable too. So I'm really good at sending packages. Because I sent her just as good things. If you're watching this video, you're gonna really like it. It's what I sent you. It's gonna be great. Yeah. So she sent me this little bottle of rocks. And this beautiful little crystal rocks. And this one. And this one. And this one. Sorry, this one. Oh, no. She sent me gold flakes. Literally gold. Gold flakes. She also, she sent me a really nice big one. She also sent me a heart-shaped one. She also sent me this one. And, she also sent me this one. And she also sent me this one. She also sent me this to go in, I'm pretty sure. She also sent me this one. There's a little letter inside this. A little shell kind of thing. It is, and it says inside, there's a note. It's right in here. It says, put all the crystals in the shell on display how you would like it. The Eiffel Tower can go in, but that is your choice. Love, Christine. That's splendid. That was great. So, I'm just gonna say that my favorite slime was probably the little one. She did a really good job on that. It's probably the best slime package I've ever gotten. Even though I've been scammed before with squishies and slime. Wonder who did that one. I also scam people. But definitely do not scam this person. This person is totally not being scammed. Or is not going to get scammed. I totally give them my best products I could possibly give. So I hope that they enjoy them.